Are you having trouble finding the draw feature in Instagram chats? Here's how to fix it. First, you need to check your account status. Open Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. And then after the three lines in the top right to go to menu. Here you can access your settings and activity. Now scroll to the more info and support and tap on account status. See if Instagram has restricted new features due to community guideline violations. Otherwise, you can go ahead and update your Instagram application. Open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, whether you're using iPhone or Android. Then simply search for Instagram application. And if you see an update button over there instead of open highlighted in blue color, go ahead and tap on that in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. The draw feature is new, so an update is likely required. Now you can also try reinstalling Instagram if you're using the iOS device, which is iPhone. So open settings on your iOS and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage, find Instagram and tap on upload app. But if you're using Android, open your settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, simply search for Instagram application and tap on it. Now scroll down, go to storage and click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. And you'll be instantly logged out from your Instagram. So you need to log back in using your username and password again. This will refresh the app and download the latest features. Now open Instagram and go to your messages. Open any chat or conversation that you prefer, and then after tap on this plus icon from the bottom right corner of your screen, and there you'll get the option of draw. Go ahead and tap on it and then start drawing. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.